YouTube, what's going on, y'all, man? It's Reese Will. I know it's been a minute. I know. I just been out here grinding. I know it's been a minute since I put out a video. Yo, happy Juneteenth. They finally made it a federal holiday. I think that's pretty dope. Tomorrow's Father's Day. I want to say special shout out to all the fathers out there. The dads too. Anybody can be a father, but it takes a special man to be an actual dad. So shout out to those two. Bro, I came up here to Philly, came back to my hometown. This weekend I got a family get together to go to. My aunt, she's turning 50. I'm gonna pop up on her. She don't know I'm coming. She thought I wasn't gonna be able to make it because I had to work, being as though our party's on Father's Day. But yeah, her party is tomorrow. But you know, I made it happen. So, but I haven't put out a video in a while. I'm in a creative space right now, so I figured, why not just take y'all with me? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it feels good to be back home. You know, I've been in the country, been out on them back roads, been on them highways all this time. So it feels good to be back home, but it's time to hit the city, man. It's nice out, it's Juneteenth. Y'all coming with me, let's go. Brother gotta eat. When I come back home, the first place I eat at, we're gonna go to Kings and Queens. Yeah, it's that time, bruh. We're gonna go to Kings and Queens. Show y'all where I like to eat at. I'll come here. We're going to Kings and Queens. Yeah, about to get it in. They ain't let me sit down in there and eat. So I gotta figure out where I'm gonna eat at. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go to my sister's real quick. I want y'all to check this out, all right?
Yeah.
My sister over there making noises.
Yeah.
Shut up. Look at that. Look at that. Red snapper, country fried rice with the pepper sauce. Stop playing with me, man. About to tear this up. About to tear it up.
I'm about to tear this up. I'm about to tear this up. Yeah, come on, give me a video. No?
You want to get on?
No.
Huh. Look at this fool.
Come on.
This is my sister.
Who said
What's this?
this?
I don't want that.
It's some. You didn't let me finish what it was.
What is
This
it?
is some healthy
Healthy.
spaghetti lasagna.
First of all, tell people how much how many pounds you lost.
Ooh.
How
Okay,
many
so I
pounds?
started at 222. Guess what I weigh?
How much you weigh?
Go ahead, guess. I want you to guess.
200.
Oh, excuse me. I weigh 183. So how many pounds is that? Come on, do the math.
30. 31. Maybe.
Keep going.
33.
Do the math, sir. Didn't you go to college? Some college.
How many pounds you lost? Come on, man. How many pounds you lost?
Little less than 40.
Little less than 40?
We
What's the
up there,
actual number, though?
Hold on, let me do the math.
When you
So
go to college?
222 minus 183. Ooh, said a little shy of 40 pounds. 39 pounds.
How long took you to do that?
So I started my weight loss journey March of 2021. Today is Juneteenth.
Look at this kind of dancing.
Oh.
I can't even talk. Man.
Killed it.
All right. Let's get back to the streets. I don't use the word progression loosely because where my family has come from, I'm gonna show you the dirt that I came from. I don't know if y'all can see this, but right here, I used to live right here. Right now it's an abandoned lot. But this is where I'm from, Broad and Huntington Park. Broad and Huntington Park. I didn't want to stand there too tough, but I don't know who lived here now or using that lot. Basically, the people in the neighborhood came in and they stole all the copper pipes out and messed up the foundation, and then kaboom, it went down. My grandparents got us out of the hood, and I don't take that for granted. I respect it a lot. If you're in a space that you don't want to be in, you had a certain situation that you don't want to be in, you know, I'm a firm believer in, you want to do something about it, you should just change it. Complacency ain't a good place to be in. Being complacent is not a good place to be in. You always want to elevate. You always want to level up in life. And this is a prime example. Because knowing where I'm at now, what I've accomplished now, and what I've seen now, came a long way. Me and my family.
It's just different.
Progression is a weapon. Put God first.
That's right.